Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now I will read chapter 7 from the book from the Mr. Doni about peripherals. Terms that often used when people talk about computer are hardware, software, and peripherals. The computer hardware can be best described as the actual part that go together to make up the computer, such as wires, switches, electronic circuit, microprocessor, and anything else that is involved in the working part. Software refers to the programs that are input into the computer. Disks and cassette are often referred to as software once they have computer program on them, but they are really peripherals. The peripherals of the computer are the device for input-output storage of data and include the keyboard, visual display unit, cassette, disk drive, and printers. The video is also known as the monitor, and the program and the result of processing can be seen on this. As well as the data entered, the printer will produce the printout of the result of the processing. This is often referred to as hard copy. The highest quality of printer available is the Daisy wheel. This consists of a wheel with flexible stems radiating from the center. The letters are well defined and can be read clearly. The printer moves bidirectionally, printing both ways from left to right and then right to left. Remember that what is to be printed already exists in the memory of the computer, and the Daisy wheel does not have to type in sequence as would be expected from a human brain. The carrier therefore need not waste time returning at the end of each line. The dot metric is usually faster than the Daisy wheel. The printer has print head consisting of a row of needles. This moves speedily over the place where a letter has to be printed using dots to make up the letter. The needles prints on to a special typewriter ribbon. The quality of printout is not a very high standard and will not generally be used at high business level. However, is often used of it is often used for the production of rough draft. Character of different size can be built up with dot matrix printer, and some may have two color ribbon. An inkjet printer from dot matrix character by applying ejected droplet of ink vibrated at an appropriate frequency towards a special absorbent paper. A charged electrode is placed near the jet so that each droplet carries a charge. By a special electrostatic technique, the ink drop can be directed to particular part of the paper. The printer uses information that is stored digitally. Thermal printers require a heat-sensitive paper which is marked by a heated needle-like writing implement known as a stylus. Laser printers are very fast and can use different sizes of paper. Since they are not impact printers, they are very quiet and can produce good graphics. The laser printers work by beaming a laser onto an electrically charged drum, which creates an invisible image on the drum, revealed when a special substance called toner is poured over it. When the paper is brought into contact with the drum, the image melt in the image melt onto the paper as it is heated. The keyboard is where the data or information is input into computer. It is usually arranged like an ordinary typewriter keyboard with a number of other key added which carry out special function. Some computer program display what are called icon on the computer screen. The icon may represent item of furniture in an office, for instance. The user is able to instruct the computer by the use of tiny movable device known as a mouse, which is connected to the computer by cable and can be moved about the top of desk. The dash represents the video screen, and as the mouse moved about, it moved it it moved with the short bright it moved with the sharp bright line known as the cursor on the screen. Okay, see you next chapter.